Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Happy Turkey Day in advance to the Americans watching this. Stretch out the stomach. Get ready for tomorrow. Who's making turkey? I want to come over. No, I'm making turkey. I got to stay here. Well, what did the market do today? Well, the market closed up 0.6% with SPY closing at 679.68. From a fundamental standpoint, we had some mixed information on the employment situation. We had the Thursday weekly unemployment come out with, initial unemployment claims was less than expected and continuing more than expected. It could have been the opposite, but you get the idea. So we had some mixed economic data in that regard. Didn't dampen people's spirits for a expectation of a rate cut coming up in the middle of December. We'll see how that plays out. But Nvidia was up a little bit today, but there's an interesting story with that. Nvidia was up a little bit today, Google up a little bit today, but they had their pullbacks as well. Now here's something that I find pretty interesting. I was looking at our credit spread genius today. Now, this shows us when big professional traders trade credit spreads in big size. So this is the smart money that we're looking at here. For the November 28th expiration, somebody sold a whole boatload of these 182.5, 190 call credit spreads. So they think that stock is not going to rally another $3 by Friday afternoon. Now, the market's closes early, closes at 1 Eastern time on Friday. So there's not too much time to have to carry that. But interestingly, it wasn't some sort of bet on Google against Nvidia like we talked about yesterday. They did the same thing with Google. They sold a 320, 360 call credit spread, and that one was almost right at the money. On top of that, they also sold a Palantir call credit spread and a Micron call credit spread. So market's really looking for the whole chip and AI sector to kind of stay put, at least until Monday when the market opens again for the next full session. Now, call credit spreads are not necessarily bearish trades. They're what I would call not bullish trades. So somebody's not necessarily looking for the market to go down. They're just looking for these chip stocks and AI stocks to not go up on Friday. I hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart, and have a nice Thanksgiving.